Don't do this with your mock-ups. Do this instead. Keep watching. So here is our mock-ups here. I'm going to copy it and delete everything. Now this mock-up I will have available as an instant download if you want to use this same mock-up that I'm using. Okay, so first you have to grab your image. I'm going to upload the image that I already made. Here it is here. Now put it on the front, easy peasy, right? Of course. Now what you need to do is make the image for the side. So what you do is you go over to apps. We're going to type in transform image. Click on the transform image right here, and then you're going to choose the file and you're going to upload the file. I am going to choose this one. That's our file. Okay, so it does appear that it has a white border around it, the background, but it actually doesn't. So my particular image, for example, I'm going to say this real quick because this really doesn't have anything to do with it, but as you can see, mine's has like that like purple hue, so it didn't really pick that up good, so it's going to come in like a little white, but I'm going to show you how to bypass that because that's not that big of a deal. So anyway, so once your image is here, you can zoom into it if that's what you need to do. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and then you're going to go to either side that you want. So this shirt is facing this way, so I want to take my mouse and I want to push it over like this until I feel like it's going to fit on my shirt. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and you can do it either way. Okay, so I am going to move it about here. Now this is, you know, trial and error. You don't really know exactly, and you can reset it also. So you don't really know if it's going to fit right, but you just go ahead, click add to design. Okay, now you can see what I was talking about the white hue around it. That's not a big deal. If you don't want that, if yours come out like that, just press background remover. So anyway, so now that we have it here, I'm going to make it a little bigger. And there's a couple of steps that I did to this. Okay, so then I'm going to cut it off here. Okay, so now you can see it's cut off, but this side right here I need to take, oops, I need to take this off, the C, the H, some of the E, and her leg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to erase, click pixel eraser, and I'm going to erase those parts. And you just keep doing this, you tweak it until you get it how you want it to be. I'm going to erase a little bit more. And I got a little tip of that E that I need to get rid of. Now you can go ahead and use a mock-up program and pay for it and do all the things, but I'm just showing you how to do this on Canva. Okay, super easy to do. I don't like that white, so I'm gonna take that off. Okay, so that's how you do it basically. And for this side, the part on the side, oh no, this is for the back. Okay, so anyway, so all I did for the side is I brought it in. I'm going to tilt it, and I like to do my mock-ups in the way they probably most likely will fit on the shirts, the way it will look. This little pom-pom most likely is going to get cut off a little bit. That's what I'm thinking. Like once I press it, it's not going to get cut, it's going to be on the shirt, but as far as like the view from the side, maybe, like, you know, so I just want to make it look where it's realistic. So I just bring that in a little bit and have it like that. And again, that part is optional. You don't have to do that. But yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you learned something today. If you do want this mock-up, like I said, it's going to be an instant download, and I'm going to give it away for free. Yay! For the freezies. Today is Free Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye. High volume. High volume. High volume. Am I really that?